If will is not there, will to do, that sankalpa is not there, don't worry. Look at your mind, so much desire is there. Desire, so much passion, so much ambition is there. But will is not there. The initiative is not there. It's okay. Do not curb your desire. Do not resist your passion, or do not suppress your ambition. Do not reject anything, resist anything. Just with little wisdom, look at the desire, usefulness and uselessness of the desire. Because the more desire in the untrained mind will become a devil's workshop. Because the mind is a great force. It will feed the wrong centers of human personality and wrong channels open. Any karma, it affects your personality. Every karma has an impression. All this impression will become your tendencies. The tendency will become the habit. Habit will become the character. The character will become the personality. Always you should know, you should find a way of creating karma. The result should not affect you. That is why in Karma Yoga, remember, karma is not important. What karma you do is not important. Your attitude is important. But karma has become so materialistic, so habitual. Whenever you think of spirituality, you think of renouncing karma. Don't do that. Karma is not cause for your bondage. Never it is a cause for your bondage. Karma Yoga is for your evolution. Your samsara is for your evolution. All the vyapara what you are doing is for evolution. Everything is for evolution. Only if you involve in karma, that self-awareness or the awakening of yourself will happen only when you involve in karma. Only when you involve in karma, you can know your behavior of the mind, your states of the mind, your quality of the mind. You can know only when you involve in karma. Please don't deceive your mind and don't pacify your mind. Purify it through meditation. Purification is meditation. An only purified mind